Back with a brand new video. Let's see what we're gonna do today. Although you might already know from the title. Uh, let's just get started, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Darsh On The Web. As you all know, before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you can learn some more stuff and hit the notification bell so you're the first one to know to learn some new stuff, about computers. Well, not about computers, I guess, like computer techniques and a lot of new stuff that you probably don't even know. Let's get started. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can use the video editor that I use in every single video. Literally every single video I use that. Like sometimes I have to compress the video because the file format's too big, and there are unlimited stuff over there that I can't even go through all of them. I'm sorry if I can't. The irritating part is that it has watermarks. That means it would show the website name below on the below right side corner, and that is not cool, right? Although you can pay for it, but yeah, you probably don't want to do that. So, but it is a very good video editor. I mean, who cares if it shows? At least you have a good video, right? So let's get started with the video, I guess. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how you can use my video editor that I use, So like this is the editor. It's called Clydio.com. I'll leave the link in the description so you don't have to waste all your time typing and all that. So you will basically be on this page if you're using it for the first time, which I think you would, right? You can just sign in like this, exactly what I'm doing, and then on your account, and you have a brand new account. I was using this for the same thing, but I made a mistake, and yeah, it's still there. So like I might as well just delete it because you won't have anything. It will basically show you like this once you sign in. So you can create a first video. That is the first thing you have to do. I mean, you're already on it. And then like there are a lot of other stuff here, There's unlimited stuff here. Not unlimited, there's of course a limit of stuff, but there's a lot of stuff. Even with for the audios, like not videos, audio. I mean that's very cool. And like a lot of stuff. Let's go through some of them. No, I'm not gonna go through all of them. You'll waste like 55 minutes, something like that, if we do that. So like let's start with the merge video. Yes, you have a lot of videos and you want to make them one video. So that's what it basically does. I'll show you of doing some of them. It does take a long time to actually like process it after you have edited it, because it's kind of a beginner one. Like the professionals use crazy kind of apps that are really advanced, and yeah, it's kind of hard to as well use them because I don't know. Yeah, and a lot of stuff here as well. But but this does the same. Just a beginner style, nothing to worry about. There's also watermarks. I'm not sure if I told you that before. I don't remember. But yeah, there is watermarks. But please, hey, don't click off the video. Do not click it. Don't click off. Because who cares about those watermarks? At least you have a good video. You will also see the watermark in this video. You probably see Clydio.com written down there. So who cares about that? At least you have a good video, so don't click off. So yeah, like and compressed video. To change the file size. No, I don't mean like how it will view it will just change its size. No. I mean that the MB and GB, that size I'm talking about. Subtitles, you probably know it's shown right here, and they're showing it all over here. Let's try to do like two of them, and then we can kind of end the video because it's going to be a long time if I do every single one. It takes forever to do it for more than a 2-second video. Oh, it takes 10 minutes and sometimes more than an hour. That is not cool. So let's just start off with merge video. Here it is, a merge video. You choose your files from here, and then all your files on every single folder. You know what I mean? And then you can choose a lot of files. Like I have the Darsh YouTube video that is now not gonna come. I think this video has maybe come. I don't remember, and I'm gonna mute the site because after you're done, you have to do your video. I will show you that video, but without the audio. So, yeah, it takes a long time. It takes a very long time. A very, 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 very long time. Oh, it's done. And after I show you how this is done, I'll go to a new window and then maybe just the same browser, but then like on a new tab and show you the other stuff, just two of them because I don't want to make the video that long. Plus, YouTube does not even allow me to go that long, like more than 20 minutes. I don't know why. And then like you can, like I recommend zoom and crop. Because if you noticed here, there are these small black things that might ruin your video, so you can hit zoom and crop and those won't be there. It's kind of small, but it's better to do that. And it's kind of like some YouTube video. I'm not sure if I posted the exact same one, but yeah. And then you can add some more videos, but not just videos, even photos. Like this is a thumbnail. I don't know which one is it. Oh, it is from a video when I was filming earlier today how to use a screen recorder, but that kind of failed. And then if you have an image, you can choose how much time, but it would apply to every single image. Like I'm gonna make it go like a minute. Yeah, that I think that's a bit too much. I'm just gonna do 0.2 seconds, and you can add some more. Like I'm just gonna add another video. Like, I know which one. Like this one. Yeah, this is the intro music that you have also seen when I first made the funny thing before you seen the YouTube intro. Yeah, where it's like music stuff. I don't know how to explain it, and then you can merge them all. Yeah, export. While this is being done, let's show you the other one, and I'll show you both of the videos. You'll hear the audio. I don't know why, because I'm on only microphone audio. Maybe it comes from the microphone. I don't know. And let's just show you one more. I'm sorry I'm not showing every single one or like more than two. The two is kind of not sufficient, but you might as well find it out yourself of the other ones because this video is gonna get way too long. So create your first video, which is not the first video. I mean, this is the first video. And let's just choose another one. Let's go with the speed video. I kind of like that one a lot. And let's just choose like I don't know. I don't know which one to do. Let's choose the YouTube intro again. And it's only a 10-second one, so it will be very quick. Like even the same intro that you've seen before. Like in this video too, like the music one, yeah, it's the same one. I think I told you that, have I? Yeah, and then like this is the intro. You probably heard that, and like you can change the speed. Look at that, it's going so fast. You can see the results before you even export, and you can also choose to mute it. But if I unmute it, you won't hear me because the sound of this will come, and you can like go slow, super duper slow. Like when you pop a water balloon on the camera and you want to see what happened, you can do that as well. And like a bit fast, or just the normal speed. Like this is the normal speed. No way, it can't be the normal speed over here. I don't know what's the normal speed. And like again, super fast, right? And then export it. You can also choose to mute it or unmute it. The audio will go a bit different. Like the audio will be fast if you do it faster, or it will be slow if you make it slower. Let's check out our merged video. Oh, it's done. Oh, wait a minute. I have posted this video. Is this the password protecting video? I don't remember. So I muted this site. Yeah, so you won't hear it. And like all this video nest. I'm just gonna download it so I can skip ahead because this video, the password today is like a 6-minute video. Is it downloaded? Did it download? Oh, it did now. And like open it. It's taking some time because it's a big video. Although I have a lot of downloaded files on this computer, so not computer, on this laptop, and then this shall open up. Hello guys, whenever I post a new video, the next time I'll see you guys in the whenever I post a new video, the next time I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I added that myself, okay. Don't worry about that, okay. Yeah, I showed it in front of you. Like, you must have heard the audio. I'm not sure after I stopped the record, like before I stopped this recording of the video that you are seeing, not in the recording, like the actual video. I don't know how to explain it. That's done. That's very cool, right? I merged the intro as well, so you must have seen it. And oh, it's already done. Okay, it must be done already because we speed it up or slow it down. I think we speeded it up. I forget again. Well, you might as well hear it again. I'm just making sure my site's on mute. There you go. I'll allow you to hear it once. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot while editing it was on mute. Stupid me. And yeah, again, you can download it again. It's right here and same video there. Look at that. I mean, it's very, very, very fast. I think that's like a 2-second one, I forget. And yeah, it's very, very cool. And there's some other stuff, you know. You can edit your results, but it's going to cost money. You know, if you're on the Pro, yeah, you can do it right there. But, like, I can show you, like, I think it's, like, if I just hit edit, it will. What? What? I never showed that before. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I think I have to go to pricing. I forget. Yeah, this. If you go with the most popular one, no watermarks and every single other thing that you would want, and even this thing is some things that are not here. And yeah, I never have them. I don't even have it right now. But if you want it and you have it, I don't know how to use it because I'm not subscribed to the Clydio Pro. And yeah, so don't expect from me making a tutorial on that, okay? Although I don't know why would you if you already know that I'm not. But well, the video will end right here. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. But before you click off and before I stop, make sure to subscribe so that you get to know some more techniques on computers, more about some other websites, and hit the notification bell so you're the first one to know about them. You know, you're on the first place on the leaderboard of timing. Get it? Yeah, I totally made that up. But even with the notification bell, you will be the first one to know something. And if you hit the like button, I'll get more confidence to make some more videos like this. I'm usually nervous to make like this, so there are a couple other recordings for the same topic, and I made a lot of mistakes. So I know, don't expect that it's just the first one. But till next time, I'll see you guys in the next video, and make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like. Remember that, and from now on, I'm uploading every Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday. You can remember that. Don't expect if I'm not uploading a video one day, it might not be the day of what I'm telling you right now. Bye bye. I'll just see you guys in the next